Traffic is the most important thing you need to sell the products that you are selling from your e-com store. Without traffic or people visiting your store, you will not be able to show them the products that you want to sell them. And of course, then nobody is going to be able to buy your products. So how do we get this traffic? Well, in the new age of internet marketing, right now, Facebook is the primary medium or the primary source of paid traffic for dropshipper marketers or for e-com marketers. And that's because Facebook has some really good targeting features now, and they're able to get you the right audience no matter what niche you're operating in and what product you're selling. So dropshipping is really possible now because of targeted Facebook advertising that is not as expensive as advertising through Google AdWords or advertising on websites through media buying or whatever. So this is going to be the primary source of traffic for us, and that's what I'm going to teach you in this particular course, how to get traffic through Facebook in a very effective manner. So let's get the basics right first, because I don't know how many of you actually understand the Facebook advertising process. There might be some people who do, but just to familiarize you with it, I won't be going too deep into Facebook advertising basics, but just to familiarize you with it, I'm going to go through the basics so that you have a basic understanding of Facebook advertising, and you can complete this course. And if you want a more detailed understanding, of course, you should visit the Facebook Help Center and lots of other sources where you can find Facebook advertising technology and basics and techniques. What I'm going to do in this course is primarily focus on the techniques or the strategy to get maximum out of your Facebook advertising, and the fine details of how to do it, and where the settings and all that you can learn, or that you should learn from the Facebook courses. So